Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to convert the dictionary into a JSON format, and I want to save the dictionary into a JSON file. So let's start the tutorial. Let's write the command py convert save dictionary to json.py, which is my file name here, and I click enter. Notice here abc.json file is created, which we have written in the code, and now this is the dictionary is converted into the JSON format, and I have saved this format into this abc.json file. See here, abc.json file got the data. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder, which is a Python-tutorials. And here the Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Now let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I am creating one new Python file called convert save dictionary to json.py, and here we got the newly created file is open. Now my aim is first let's convert the dictionary into a JSON format and save the file and save the dictionary into JSON file. Now first we require the dictionary one, the variable dictionary one. In order to create a dictionary in Python, we require first curly brackets. When it's add curly brackets, then dictionary contains the keys and values. So between single quotes, first one is the key is the name and the value is Charan. I am adding just for the demo purpose. I am adding some dummy data. Age is 32 and location, and the location is India. Now once we created the dictionary, now I need to convert this dictionary into JSON format. So what I'll do is I need to import first. Let's put this import here, import JSON file, then JSON object. Let's add the JSON object here. It's a variable. Now JSON.dumps method. In this dumps method, I'm adding two parameters. First, I require this dictionary. I'm adding the dictionary, and indent. Indent is equals to, I'm adding 3, which is the spaces, white spaces I'm adding. Then I want to print this JSON object, which will display on the terminal this dictionary into a JSON format we have converted. Now I want to save this JSON object into a JSON file. So if you notice here, I don't have any JSON files here. So let's create one JSON file. For that, I'm adding OS module, then JSON file is equals to open method. In this open method, I am adding between single quotes. Let's add the abc.json file, comma, again I am adding between double single quotes, I am adding W. W is the write mode. I am writing the data into this file. After that, JSON file dot write method. In this write method, I am adding this JSON object, which is this one, JSON object. That's it. Then let's print dictionary is saved into a JSON file. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. Now let's check the output of our application. Before that, we need to save this file, save all. Then go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let me take this up. Now let's check the final output of our application. Convert this dictionary into a JSON format first. Then I want to save the JSON object into a JSON file. We have created the JSON file called abc.json. Let's write the command py convert save dictionary to json.py, which is my file name here. And I click enter. Notice here abc.json file is created, which we have written in the code. And now this is the dictionary is converted into the JSON format, and I have saved this format into this abc.json file. See here, abc.json file got the data. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to convert a dictionary, Python dictionary, into a JSON format and save the JSON data into a JSON file. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.